Buccaneers, welcome back to another
Flashback Friday,
where we watch our old videos. Currently we're watching season 1, and our first one today will be, where did it go? Oh, here we go. Oh, wrong one. Los Angeles Zoo and Botanical Gardens. Look who's traveling.
Hey, don't play with it. Let's say hello.
Ready, set, let me make it louder.
Oh, yeah.
Go. Oh, wait, no. Go.
We're at the zoo. Say hello to the meerkats. Hello.
Hello.
The Winnick Family Children's Zoo.
What did I say? There's the sound of a goat that my dad put in. It just pooped.
Ew.
There's a lot of goat sound effects in this video.
Now we're in the back cave.
Also,
Stop playing with it.
Wow, everything's just pitch black.
But now it's white.
Oh, I'm right here, baby. I got you. Get her hand. Take her hand. Around here.
Come on, let's go.
We're in a bat cave. I don't see any bats there. Is it a real bat cave or a pretend bat cave?
Fake bat cave.
But it's a zoo.
I forgot. I think fake. I found a way out.
What? We didn't get to see any bats.
See, I told you. A giraffe is coming this way. What?
Do you like giraffes, brother? I don't know. No, yes or no?
I don't know. And the best part is their free samples. What are you eating?
Popcorn, I think. What? That's it? The video.
Yeah. Oh, McDonald's. Oh, McDonald's. Oh, McDonald's.
Why? Why am I just shouting "Old MacDonald"? I probably said it like 20 times.
No, we're like 10.
More like
Oh, yay! You're going to IKEA to find furniture.
10. Okay, next up, first time visiting an IKEA Home Furnishings, Costa Mesa. I'm sure it's not the first time. It's probably, yeah, I'm sure it's not the first time. It's just in the title. Ready, set, go.
We're at IKEA. We're going up the escalator.
There's that music again that we always use in our early episodes. Dun, 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 dun,
No,
dun,
that's
dun, dun, dun,
annoying. Very annoying. This place is like a maze. Hey, don't play with it. I wonder where this goes to. It goes to the exit. In a chair.
That rocking chair looks very weird. It doesn't look comfortable for the person's back because the back is just so skinny. This is kind of boring. My dad just put 30 seconds of me opening, more than 30 seconds of me opening things that have nothing in it.
what's in this bathroom.
Okay, yay. Thank you for talking.
Yeah, this.
Are you supposed to be in there? Yeah, it's IKEA. You can go on anything.
I'm kind of approaching.
What? Is that even? Am I in that? Oh. That must have been fun.
What? That's all?
My mouth. It's full of ice cream. Don't drop it.
Here.
Okay, and that is the end of the video.
Hey, don't pull it.
And finally, Sawdust Art Festival in Laguna Beach.
Oh, we've been there 1,000,000 times.
Yeah, we go there like
2
twice
times
a year.
That's not many.
Okay, ready, set, and
Go.
away.
Go! We're at Sawdust Festival.
At least we used a different video and a different song in this one.
But it's like
Background
this,
song.
but it's the SeaWorld song. Dun, dun. There are over 200 booths of fine arts and crafts.
Over 200 hours.
The Old Glory.
What? I don't remember that. Wait, didn't you fall in that fountain, brother?
What? I don't remember that. Time to make some. Well, they did change that place.
Right now.
Getting my glue on. Adding some eyes.
Am I making a monster?
No, puppet.
Puppet. Looks like a monster.
And now the arm. Lastly, the antenna.
Oh, I was making an alien.
I made an alien.
See, I guessed it.
I like the music. Where to next?
Get too tired, it's a lullaby. Tonight that never ends.
All aboard.
Oh, they have a train set there.
Yeah, they still have that at Christmas.
Yeah, but is this Christmas or summer?
Summer.
Yeah, they don't have it at summer anymore.
We already went there. It's
I'm
July.
trying so hard to reach it. Actually, maybe. Yeah, I am.
Now it's lunchtime.
Where? Oh, at the restaurant at Sawdust.
Ah! Getting our photos taken by Mary.
Grandma Mary. Hey, that's you, brother. Did you see your butt?
Yeah.
Oh, here's the silly part. I wonder how silly it will be.
That's not too silly. What are you doing?
What in the world was I doing? Well, what do you think about those videos, brother?
Boring.
Really? They were boring. You're hurting my feelings.
It's boring.
Okay, bye-bye.